third method is a bit more dramatic. And what I'm going to do is blend it. I'm going to make a kind of moss soup.
Oh, excellent.
So if we pop the moss in there, and then I'm going to add a few of these moisture-retentive crystals. So we're going to add some of those in there, and I'm going to add some water. Quite a lot of water, like that. Now we put the lid back on, and then give this a whiz. Okay, that'll do. So, and we can just stick a paintbrush in. If you can imagine that this was a wall there, if we painted this on and put it in the shade,
Yep.
there is enough moss there, even though it's all chopped up incredibly fine, for the moss to grow.
Wow.